So in this video I'll be teaching you how to download Cisco Packet Tracer on a Linux machine and how to install it until it is fully installed. So first of all, you can use any browser that you of your choice. But I like Firefox, so we'll start with Firefox. So just search Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, then there are two websites here. So yes, there are three NetAcad, networking, but I like this one, computer networking. This one, they provide an easy link to download. So we have the latest version for Cisco Packet Tracer, which is available for Windows, Mac and Linux, but currently I've been trying to troubleshoot the latest version, which is 9.0.0. Yes, to install it on a Linux machine, but seems it's not working. Yes, it has some issues. It's not working. Yes, so I think that since it's still the latest version, I'm sure they're still working on it. So I'll go with this one, 8.22. So just click on download. I think I've already downloaded it. Yes, it is already downloaded. So after I click download, then just click save. Then just wait for it until it finishes downloading. Okay, it's to my side. As you can see, it is already fully downloaded. So next, after I've done that, then just open your file explorer or file manager. So go to downloads. So we have this one the one which I want to install. So next I'll do is there are two ways you can do it. Either you can use GBA, this one installer. This one is the easiest to prevent issues of dependencies. If it has issues with dependencies with the application, so I prefer going with this one. But also, okay, let's just use this same one. Otherwise, also, you can also use the terminal to install it, but due to the issues of dependencies, so you just use this one, package installer. So therefore, next is I'll just say or open a file, open, then locate where this file is. So this file is in downloads, then which is this one here. Then I just say open and wait for it. Okay, to take a little bit of time. Okay, so as you can see here, there are some requirements. These ones are supposed to be installed. So therefore, I'll just say install package, put my security passcode, then just wait for the dependencies to be installed. Okay, so I just say next, accepting, then wait for it a little bit. Sorry. Okay, so therefore it has successfully been installed. Okay, therefore when I search here, the name would to be Packet Tracer. So let me open it. So as you can see, it has worked. Okay, you can choose yes there if you want to. So I'll just continue. Okay, depending with what you want. Let me just log in. But the latest version is a good version. Yeah, I prefer the latest version. I just hope to fix that issue soon. Yes, otherwise I have used the latest version in my previous video, or in my other video I was talking about network address translation. Yes, I was using the latest version of Cisco Packet Tracer. It is really nice. Yes, I like the design, everything there, and also I think I can personally appreciate the Cisco company for their their consistency on improving the application. Yes, because they awarded those new devices. So therefore, this one for us, some of us who cannot afford to buy those physical devices, Cisco Packet Tracer is really helpful because it makes the whole issue of simulating the network very easy. Okay, but anyway, I can just cut the video from here so that it doesn't take long. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends.